Greetings to everybody, and as usual, thanks to the original family members that has been supporting me continuously. You know what I mean? Highly appreciated. I have to call on name because we don't know yourself, right? Yeah. So guess what now? This is episode 1 and episode 2 of If I Can't Have You No One Will. Just to bring the new family members them up to speed. Alright? Because episode 3 is coming very soon and it's gonna be the conclusion of Wagwan. I'm no one to Wagwan because this I wanna take me out of one different element, right? So guess what now? As me say, I really appreciate every like, every share, every comment. You know what I mean? Because when I comment, I know what's happening, I know what to do. Because as I always say, I'm a work in progress. You know what I mean? And thanks to everybody who is on this journey and trust me, I really appreciate it. All right. So me chat too much, right? So I'm gonna make you watch episode 1 and episode 2 of If I Can't Have You, No One Will. Bless up, enjoy, do anything. All right. Oh! Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, I enjoy myself. We can meet again.
Oh, you talking to you?
Yeah, I can go on, yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Come in. Can you go? I think about tomorrow and I come pick you up tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
No, tomorrow, so.
Yeah, tomorrow. I'm going to do a little washing, but you can pick me up in a day.
A daytime?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, man, you can pick me up in a day.
Oh my God. I want to do it tomorrow. Alright, so see you then, yeah?
Alright. Later.
Call me as I reach home, yeah?
Alright. What going, girl? Me there. Me say, me meet a boy. Called it few days ago. Yeah. And voila.
Little girl, why are you so comfortable? Eh? You're not going to school?
Auntie, a weekend. Today is Saturday.
Oh.
You
I
have
don't
to...
even remember.
Yes,
Oh
you
God, you couldn't
remember?
straighten up your bed. Jesus. You do your cock up and you're not even going to straighten up in your room. Look there, look up on the floor. Eh?
Why you so miserable?
Find something to do, man. You're too comfortable.
Auntie, what happened to you? I'm a room this, and a your room.
So because of your room, if you keep it chaka. And on my house.
A your house.
And me want everywhere in my house is because span.
You know you're worse than my mother.
Get up and tidy up your house there, man. Because a weekend if you just cock up on phone and then, where you chat to your friend about?
Important stuff.
But if the door and listen to you, you know. A boyfriend not on the phone and talk to, not you.
No, I'm a friend. Me I talk to Auntie. My friend.
But boyfriend. No, you know what I'm going to talk to your mother about you. I'm going to talk to her about you. You look like I see a peer man pack up in your little head. Before you straighten up your room, I'm going to take up your book.
Auntie, me a 18-year-old. Me a big man. Listen. Next year, at university me gone. So I if I complain to mommy, what she gonna do about it?
Keep up that same attitude. And you won't reach university. A big old gut you gonna get before you reach there.
So why you behave so? How you know me have sex, a matter of fact?
You know, as they come to think about it. Me gonna make your mother carry a doctor, you know.
For what?
Fi check your heart.
Check me out for why?
Because of the same attitude that you pass your place. And it's only when young girls start a boyfriend, they start to be disrespectful, so.
Oh really?
And listen, if you start a boyfriend, you can't stay in here. You have to go make it find place and put you.
Listen, Auntie.
I'm going to tell your mother if it come back for you.
Auntie, me
I won't tolerate it in here. I won't tolerate it. All right.
I am trying to be respectful because I'm an auntie. I am a
Oh, so I beat you and beat me? I beat you and beat me? You try to be respectful through me and your auntie? I beat you and beat me? Eh?
Like I said before, I am trying to be respectful. So if I throw you and throw me out of your place, we can't come out. You don't have to throw me out, we can't come out.
Do me that favor there. You see your mouth? You see that mouth there? You see that mouth there?
I'm a terrified.
I'm going to put you in a trouble. Alright, since you're ready to come out, come out.
Thank you that I want to hear a long time.
I'm going to call your mother right now. See, I'm out of bed, I'm right, I'm feisty.
You're not just someone to come out while you stand up in the way.
You're not going anywhere. Go and sit down, let me talk to you. Go and sit down. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Listen, listen. You're like a daughter to me, you know. And I want the best for you. That's why you see me get down on you so hard.
That's why
I don't want you to go spoil up yourself.
I will drop it there, man. Yo, Chargy. I wish party there. Look how long me wait for you. What you mean you're there for your way? You know how long me set up the place? And we can't pack session time now, you know. And me wait over 1 hour now. Just hurry up and come. You talk too much. Look how long you wait for your Chargy. Why you take so long?
You know, say on the street, me need take me a while to come up here.
You ever in a street? What you have in a street?
As me say, when you up the road and do some work. So what you say, you want to play or that? You ask too much question.
But me have to ask question because you take too long.
You say you want to play, you just a while ago did cuss me out on the phone and say you want to play a card. Come
Okay,
on,
fine.
stop waste time.
Boy, I am miserable. You come like my granny. No, sir. No.
If me a granny or a grandpa.
You know what? I'm not doing this video today, you know. You come. Let me play a card.
So
The card, something now come out.
So we are going to play. Sure I can.
I hold that play again.
But I don't know. But I remember. I swear.
So, are you just asking? I don't remember. What could I cause this?
Me just ask which way you want to play. I want an example. Where play?
How can I play again? I don't know. I'm play card back. Because you hardly have time for me.
I hardly have time for you. Me always be trying to make time for you. Alright, but we play TV castles. You know
How
play
that
that?
play?
You really look me at my head and say enough to play TV castles?
Rough by my side. Me tell you something. I could tell you what play a card back.
Alright, come give me a
You
card.
joke me make. Come.
Or you want to play birds? Come down and play birds.
Alright.
Make sure, say, if you burn you, don't bow to me. Bow to God. Bow to Jesus here. So, alright, let me explain TV castles. So basically,
Hold on, may I get a call?
so you just go interrupt me like that?
It's important.
Go by your car, man. Stop talking to me.
Oh, hello. You know me just did I think about you though? Yes. So what you say? Come check me. Well, that's nice because the crazy auntie not there, so you can't come. Yes. Just don't make me wait too long. Because I'm very impatient, I know that. Alright. See you soon. Yeah.
Oh, you need a on the phone with so like a very nice call.
It's a very nice person.
Yeah.
Him nice.
Him?
Yes, him.
That's nice.
But
Him
you
have
know,
a name?
obviously have a name. Everybody have a name.
You know what I mean.
Yo, wake up, man. Yo, you ready for talk now? Alright, here we go on, I'm a general. See? It's quite simple. The man them pay me for do a work. Instead of work, yeah, I need to hurry up because my girlfriend called me. I need to hurry up and check her. See? So I don't have time to waste. Nod your head, yes, if you're ready for talk. You understand what I say? And if you're not ready for talk, you can say something. Go on and forward back. You understand what I say? You ready for talk? Alright, boss. So listen to me now. So when we move that from your mouth, when you talk, alright? So where you say I go on now? Boss, where the man them money there?
Boss, if you don't know nothing about no money, just understand, if you don't know nothing about no money, no. And come get cut up all sorts of shit, and I don't know nothing about no money.
Where the man them money, the boss say, the man them need them money, them pay me for do a job, me for do my job. How you go?
Which money you talk about, boss? You don't know nothing about no money.
Brother, I waste, really come waste my time? Eh?
Honestly, boss.
I waste my time?
Honestly, boss, please, me I beg you, please. Me don't know nothing about no money.
Boss, you see when this knock out your bumper right now, you got to know. Where the man them money there?
Boss, you beat me up to sit me don't know nothing about. And me can't confess to sit me don't know nothing about.
So how it about? How it about? And I give them Richard Brown.
Yeah, my name is Richard Brown.
And you live at Petersfield?
Yeah, I live up Petersfield.
So what you explain to me?
Listen to me, I say, my boss. You see, when I go to post office for a collect letter, sometimes I have to give them back a letter because they give me one ex Richard Brown letter because a 3 person on the place named Richard Brown. One only live on a bus stop and one live down a Shrewsbury housing scheme.
I feel face then set me. You understand me? I
Boss,
said?
it look like somebody has set me up.
Set me, yo, me have to do my job. Alright, here we are going now. Enough I talk, you know. Your time waster.
Let's say you can't beat me. How the 2 can't in my hand, you know?
You're not fear behave, sir.
And once me win, you're gonna get so slapped in your hand.
Slap.
Remember some birds we are playing, you know?
Oh, hold on. Me never send him my location. Just give me a minute.
You want to stop with game if you go and go text man?
I'm not texting him, I'm
No,
calling him.
Do you have the man?
Say that why are you jealous? Why you so jealous?
I'm not jealous, I have a woman. Do you have?
Alright, why you so overprotective?
I'm not overprotective. I must say I'm just a friend.
Okay, alright, okay. Hello?
Yeah, babe.
Oh, I forgot to send him a location. Yeah, I'm gonna send you an app.
Me I forward now, yeah? Yeah, man. Coming to you now. Just gonna just wash up and come to you.
Alright. Done. That was so simple. Cha-cha.
So you have to be that for?
Because you behave like say me do something wrong.
You just look around, me don't care.
You not care?
Yeah, I'm just a friend.
Okay.
Really. Alright. Me also work for you up on me. We can't play one next time.
Seriously.
Yes, nobody look for me, sir. You know somebody me take my time, me have work for them, I become better for place.
You know me feel like say no work are the problem.
Wait,
Because me make the call a while ago.
that was not the reason.
Then what is the reason?
Alright, what you want me to say? That a reason?
It look like a
say
reason.
you a call some what so when the person come, they gonna have to left stills, don't it? So but then
No, I would want to meet the person.
we want to meet the person. Alright. You know something that try for me mean.
Well, yeah, try to be mean right now.
You know say Baba say me and your friend don't care about you. I don't like that. So you know say we go always play a card. So I go come back up here for next day. But later. Yeah.
Okay, anything
You
you
know
say.
what if everybody don't tell me say you're still mad?
No, sir.
No, put one smile on your face. Yeah, that be like. Alright.
Alright. Later.
Yeah, come. Come on, go walk me out.
May I come? So why you walk so fast?
But I walk fast.
I cannot walk fast, you know, because it kind of in pain.
So why you doing up here?
You know, female pain.
Say that, I give you a hug. Don't worry, so I don't want no hug. We don't say I give you a hug, but at next time.
Yeah, my boss, what going?
Oh, God. Where the fuck?
I'm there easy. What me see you come from over there?
Over there,
Yeah.
yeah, but just not play one game with somebody.
You play a game with who? One girl in meet you by chance?
Yeah, what?
No, man, man. Yeah, well, starter, you know what I mean?
Oh.
So where you come from?
Where you ask me that for?
No, it's just a normal question, you know what I mean? Because I'm a friend, I'm just to meet her, but I want to know a little bit about the place and all these things, so, you know what I mean? But I see you talk to her right there, so.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You live road there, so man.
Oh, you live on there, so?
Yeah.
Alright, respect you, bad. But big up yourself, you know?
Yeah.
See? Alright.
Police?
No, I'm not police, but what your name?
Where you ask me that for?
Alright, man, respect.
You just what up to you, man?
No, man.
You ask too much question, brother.
Alright, man, no yourself. I just, are you a friend, right?
Yes, I'm a friend.
Alright, me go
I
check
just
it,
want a friend, you hear?
Alright, man, respect.
Are you a meter?
I'm here to meet. Are you when we call on the phone?
Yeah. You don't have to worry yourself, me and I are just a friend, here.
No problem, man. Respect our manners, yeah?
Yeah, respect.
Nice to meet you.
We could work.
Yeah, man. Cool. Oh, friend. I'm gonna talk about friend. Mitzi?
Oh, Samir, come on here, son.
Come, babe. Oh, my God. My darling. Oh, my darling. You alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yeah. Oh, you play cards?
Yes, we did not play with my friend. Him just not too long left too.
Your friend?
Yes.
So, is what, just like a friend? What kind of friend to you?
He's my best friend.
It's a best friend? Because, no, the thing is, we don't normally say best friends as boyfriend and girlfriend. You know, a boy and a girl, you know what I mean? Hanging out. Me, I was say like, you know what I mean? If a girl and girl are bar and go drink, or, you know what I mean? Or a boy, you know what I mean? Two brethren and go play football or, you know, play basketball or so forth. You understand? But if you say just a friend, me have to just work with what you say, right?
Are you jealous?
I won't say I'm jealous. I'm just concerned. You understand?
Okay.
But enough of that, man. So how your day been going so far?
Well, it's going on great.
But
Yeah.
for some reason, you know, sound like it's going great. Like, is there some disappointment somewhere? You know, your auntie. Wait. Let me guess. Is your auntie?
Yeah. She kinda stressed me out.
Stress you? Oh man. Don't make you stress you, man. Don't put that up in your brain. Just keep being the wonderful person that I know you are. Keep smiling. Look at that smile. Smile. Ah! Damn you, I love that kind of smile, you know what I mean? And that's the thing that gravitate me to you. Because from me see the night, I'm say to myself, so, no man, a girl can't just look so, you know what I mean, like an angel. I wonder if her inside is angel like this to see me. And so far, I like what I'm, you know what I mean, I'm receiving. You understand?
Oh, so you wanna have a seat?
Yeah man, no problem man. But, you want to sit right here? Or you want
No,
to
you sit there, I'll sit here.
I sit here, sir? No problem. Oh, take time with this. Let's see it look like it.
It good, man, it good.
Sure. Jesus Christ. The Thursday season look good, you know. But anyway, alright. I was wondering, you see because you and your auntie always have issues and so forth, why you not come move in with me? Come stay at my place? Because I don't really want you to feel uncomfortable. I think about you too much, too often. For, you know, I wonder if you're alright. That's why I really come here today. Because as you notice, it's the first time I come here. You understand? But you don't know. But what you say?
Well, to be honest, my auntie know I'm left the yard, you know.
She's not in the yard.
Because she did run me the other day, you know.
Run you?
Yeah, she literally run me out of the house. So I packed to leave. But then she got the door and said she not let me go.
That's the thing.
Yeah. So she stay. She kind of overprotective.
So what you want? Because you talk about what your auntie want. What you want?
Well, to be honest, want to feel comfortable, but I don't feel comfortable with my auntie.
So
And she not stop yell at me, which she me not like.
what you want? Tell me what you want to do. What is your desire?
You want to know my desire?
Yeah, what you really what like happiness and you know what I mean? What are you yearning for?
You.
Me? Well, see me, I'm happy, but more of a carry you. You understand? Me don't want you there, so I'm worried about you. I want you have beside me. So what you say?
Well, that's a good idea.
Alright.
I would love that.
May I give you 2 more days? Sit down here, so think about it, and you know, because when you move, you're comfortable. You understand? Because I want you as well. You understand? So just think about it. I'm gonna rush off because at the end of the day, we just come figure a quick visit. Because I don't want to just, bomb rush and say, go upstairs all night. You know what I mean? Because I know when we go upstairs, we attend to that. You know what I mean? So, really and truly, I give you some time to think more. That was the message I came here to deliver right now. Alright?
Alright.
So you have to think about it.
Yes, I'll think about it.
Alright. Think about it.
Alright.
Get back to me. Alright?
I will.
Alright. So, just stay here, think about it. And we talk. Alright?
Alright, I will.
Alright, yeah. I'll let myself go. Okay? Alright, later.
So, you're not giving me a hug before you leave. But what kind of style that?
Come here, man. Oh, God, man. I want to appreciate them hugs, yeah. Alright. See you. Here?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good afternoon. What kind of smoothie you have? One smoothie. And then we have what's on beef. Can you down 2 smoothies? It's price 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3. You want syrup? Yeah. Halo? Which part tadi? Which part? Jadi apa dulu? Ada tu semua dia memang saya pay feet. Yeah, cause you never have money yet. Anyways, what price? As 600 feet to there. Look like I'm near the bank. Thank you.
Thanks.
What's wrong? Come girl, cause me have something to tell you.
Why? That's so cool, eh?
Yes, and there's a cool bug. To see what kind of tree this? A be ants night tree. Look there. But there's a hope none to drop on me.
So what you want to tell me about?
What the same guy when we meet today, man?
Which guy that?
The same Rasta youth, man.
You see him ugly Rasta?
Him same one.
I will go on.
And I know so my auntie come catch me on the phone with you. And me and her have one piece of argument in our house. And she almost put me out. I said, girl, me never find myself sleep with a man when we just meet. Call it the day before.
Oh, so you're one of them one night standing.
No.
Yes,
I'm not
I-
like that.
You're a dirty girl.
And I saw the thing set, man. Why y'all laugh? It's not funny. You know, me can't stand a girl, yeah?
One night stand. Me I hear you. Continue.
I know one night stand is just that, you know, but what
You don't
first
know it
sight.
happen, but it happen.
Yeah, something like that.
Talk me and listen.
Him just give me a vibes, you know? You know them vibes, eh? Love at first sight. I mean, I don't know about you, you know? But him caught me attention. I did not forgive him.
Give one.
You want me to spell out everything for you? Use a common sense, no?
That's how me tell you say it's a one night stand.
I know one night stand. Jaja, why you make it thing look so?
You just meet a man and the next day you go him here, they sleep him here, they give him.
I know one night. Who do call that one night stand? See all the man that listen to my business. He fast. Jesus, so got to back my name to my auntie.
Maybe ask you something. You know what man name, his full name?
Of course, me know him full name.
You know when he born?
Yes, we know when he born.
You know if he have a wife or a woman?
Well, me don't know about that still.
But you chose to go sleep with a man. One night stand.
You know me not like how you go on sometime though. That's why me not tell you certain things, you know. Why you attack me?
He man a work?
Of course, him a
What
work.
kind of work?
Well,
Say you mean you don't know?
because him never tell me.
For no joke aside. You know what kind of man you pick up? But you're in love, you fall in love?
Girl, stop dealing with me, son. Now.
Me ask you what kind of work you man do?
I just say me no know.
You don't know. Shame on you, you don't know. By the way, where you sleep on that the man that you love, you're in love, you fall in love?
In personality.
In personality,
He's a nice person.
he's a nice person. For now. For now.
You know me not like how you behave though. Yeah, my friend, you're supposed to have my back, you know?
Me?
Yes, you!
If you have your back.
Yes! Because
Oh, me encourage you to go one night stand with man. You not even know what kind of work you man do.
Go on down now. Stop load up my business. I road with the pan, you know? And my yard. I don't like how you go on,
You
man.
get no picnic?
The picnic part, I'm not sure about that.
You know where him live, don't?
Yes, I know where I live.
You know if a female?
Jesus Christ. Stop dealing with me, son, and tone down and stop load up my business, make the neighbor them or the people over there here.
Anyways, me a come hit the road. Cause I don't know if a serial killer man or a hit man. If you go on here say, me encourage you to do certain things, you man come kill me. Eh? Me not the power you depend, you know? Me not the power you depend. It's a one night stand. Me not the power you depend.
Jesus Christ.
You see, as of today, me don't know no friend. It's when time me see say, you reach 3 months and past 3 months or second and me see say everything work out, now you can be friends. And you see when they're around him, don't call my phone. Don't call my phone. Come in the power you depend, you know.
So I saw you move.
Me, not the power you. Matter of fact, me never want to buy no more drinks to me.
Oh, you come back here, so where you gonna get money you ever broke?
Don't worry about that. Yeah, you one night stand.
To a girl, man.
I don't know you.
Jesus Christ, you disgrace me. How are you? I say. So you take some of the shuffle card back.
You want to come shuffle your card back?
We cannot shuffle the cap, that's why I give it to you.
Okay, then top it is on my head. Yeah, come rush me. Yeah, rush me ahead of you though.
There's something over 1 hour. What is that? Hurry up, man.
You want
to
shuffle
too
it then?
slow. No, I can't shuffle it.
You don't see it make sense sometimes. How you rush me if you do something? I don't know for me. How that work?
It take too long. Look there. No, sir. We don't plan to play card today.
No, we don't plan to play no card.
Oh, so you're going to do this shuffle and shuffle and shuffle.
Yeah, I want you game to come up with. Shuffle your card pack. Don't look for me, sir.
Don't look at the see this. You try for annoy me?
No, we don't try for you now.
So why you not issue out the card? You did this shuffle over 1 hour. Around 3 hours you did this shuffle. Shuffle the share the card so you like chat foolishness.
Me not shuffle it so long. Alright, come now. Where you want to play?
That's the shorty card.
How me I get this short card and we don't know where I play?
Where you want to play? I can't bother with you, you know.
Alright, but play Thief in Castles.
Huh?
Thief in Castles. How you have card pack? I don't know the game then. How that makes sense?
And since we meet you, we start play card pack, you know. I don't know nothing about card pack.
Alright,
And you know that.
What that?
How much card that? Me can't count, you know. How much card that?
5.
That's a 5. As much as all me done, it's a 4 card pack this.
Okay.
How that work?
You don't know if play Thief in Castles?
Come like that virgin, hold on. Hi, babe. Yeah, man, just come straight upstairs. The door open. Open, I mean. Alright. Come.
You don't make no sense to go invite me up here. If you make one next one go up here. I don't start that now.
What do you mean I don't disturb?
I don't start that now.
What on, baby?
Me alright.
What on, you?
Go on.
Think alright? So now they play card again?
Yeah.
Is that a regular thing?
Well, yeah.
Alright, just give me some time with her, please. I don't know if I can understand that.
Me didn't have first though.
I know, but you know, she called me.
Ah. You think?
Alright, boss. So babe, how are we really going?
What do you mean?
Maybe I had a conversation before. I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know. I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me jealous or nothing like that. But I just, you know, I don't know if you remember, but it's not said jealous, me je like to be exclusive. You understand?
No, but you act insecure.
I'm not insecure. Wait, alright. This is when you get to know me, you understand. Because that's why I have to take you to my house so you can have it for myself. You understand? So, when I say for myself, I mean like, just in my own little space. And then we go out there with my, you know, we gonna be happy. You understand? Because I want to make sure so everything is there, you're comfortable, we can go to the beach when you're ready and all these things. You understand what I say? Only thing I want to feel the best for you when you're happy. And, you know, alright, yeah, I'm a little bit jealous, but I want to play card with you. I can't play card with you. It must be a case that I can't come play card with you because I want to spend, you know what I mean? But a little jealousy in a relationship is important. You know that?
Yes, me know, but why?
What?
Yeah, overdo it.
Alright, we're done. Let's stop. Let's stop.
Just stop.
Let's stop jealous.
Okay, if you say so. If you say so.
Yeah, let's stop jealous, man. Come play a card. Like, which card do you play with? Come play some card now. Like a card out there. Hey! Don't bother thinking too hard. No overthinking, man. Hey! Overthink. Alright, later on, we make you extremely happy. You know why?
No. Why?
Tonight, I want you to have a special time.
Meaning?
Fine dining, meaning shopping, meaning everything that you desire. I talk about say, yo, you spend time with you. You enjoy spending this time with you. You understand?
Same here.
You know, dope business. You understand? Seriously? Nature, see there nature there. It's natural. True vibe is natural. Alright?
Right, that's so.
Take it serious, man. I want it for myself. Come on, to move, come to my place. You understand?
Who come to your place?
Yeah, I move to
Which
my
place?
House. My house. You understand?
Me know how to put you.
What you think about? The place is nice, the place is nice to you know, so you don't move there already, so you know you think about, hear me say. Looking forward. Looking for me. And yeah, you might come off a little bit that I'm jealous. I'm sorry for your approach to your friend, Javi like that. You understand? But I just feel, you know, like more for myself.
Yeah, me understand.
You sure?
I totally understand.
Totally? Alright.
Oh, you know, I forgot the question you do.
Yes.
What you do for your living?
We do a lot of things.
I don't know why you lie to me, you know.
We like things. We do a lot of things.
A lot of things like.
Just to
you have
stay
be
alive.
specific.
Alright, I can't specify right now. We do a lot of stuff. We do farming, you know, we do butchering sometimes, we cut up meat, you know.
What you butcher?
Meat, like, you know, meat chop and so forth, you know what I mean? And we have a car up on the road. But me, you know what I mean? Some do quite a few stuff. In these times, you can't just depend on one money. You understand me? I say, yeah. But really and truly, we want somebody to grow with, make life with, and nobody care about what we do for a living. You understand? Because we do for a living now, it don't matter because when we do for a living, we take care of you and everything. But we just want you for myself. But we don't want to sound greedy.
Understandable.
Yeah?
I totally understand.
Alright, so you want me to come meet your auntie, sir?
Yes, we'll come meet my auntie because she want to meet you.
She said she want to meet me?
Yes, she said she want to meet you.
Alright, later on. So just call me later and remind me.
Yes,
You
I
understand?
will.
Because I want to know, say, you know, because I say I do a lot of stuff. I mean, I have something to do, I'm going to do. I'm going to finish the business there and then just come straight to you.
Oh,
Alright?
alright.
So let's enjoy a little time now. Water.
Ah, it's cold though. Look how my foot get white.
So you go, man. Sometimes you have to, you know what I mean?
The water literally cold.
Come on to me.
Mango.
mango up in the tree. And when the mango you go fit? Boy, Javi. You wash up your plate them already when mommy tell you to wash up? What you mean you not wash your plate them yet? Look how boy wash your plate them before mommy come home from market. You know your man miserable and love cuss. You stubborn, you know, Javi? But wash up the plate, man, and clean up around the room where you sleep last night. And don't make your woman have to come cuss. Me dey out of front. Ah. Long time I go to church, you know?
Good evening. Hello?
Even.
How you doing?
Good.
You live in this area?
Yeah, man.
The only thing is this, I'm looking for a friend of mine. Well, he's a friend of my friend, and she wanted me to find him to, give him some money. You understand? So, but his name is Javi, you know him?
I'm a brother, yes.
He's a brother?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but he live here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because him send me in that direction and say he live up here, sir. So which part you thinking of right now?
In the other yard.
Oh, over yard?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, thanks. Everything good though?
Yeah.
Okay, you look kind of upset. Eh?
No, I just go on there mango try pick one mango, but the mango never like enough fit.
Yeah, because mango green, we hurt the belly, mama. You know, don't want that case, you know what I mean? Alright, so my name is Publik.
I'm Leo.
Leo?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
And feel good though.
Eh, oof. Give thanks, give thanks.
I like your shirt, red fit you though.
You think so?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So where you from though?
Well, I am from the west side, you know what I mean? I'm down in the grill, you know what I mean? So I am basically country youth.
Rich people live in the girl now.
No, well, I wouldn't say I'm rich, but I'm alright. I can afford a little bread and butter. You know what I mean? So, but Javi down there?
Yeah, I'm down there.
Alright. So I'm going to check him fast and head out. Come here.
You want to take my number or something?
Give me your number. Because I'm going to have... Oh, no, I take my number, but you can only call me because I do some office business.
Okay, give me a number.
So it's 911-5411.
So, you're single?
I don't know how to answer that yet because I'm working on something. I'm not going to tell you say I'm single or me, you know what I mean? But I work on something, all right? But call me when we can talk. I mean, we can, you know what I mean? Just, start.
Get to know each other.
Exactly.
All right.
So bless yourself, Leo. Nice to meet you.
Same
right?
to you.
So Javi down there.
Yeah, I'm down there.
All right, thanks, here.
All right.
Respect.
Well, buddy.
Hello?
Yeah, babe.
Remember, say you must come up a house later enough more to meet my auntie.
Yeah, man, I coming up.
Yes, she want meet you. Me nah playing thing, you know. No, but that time say I come here now, and you know come no way. Okay. Alright.
Alright? Okay, babe.
What you call about?
We're family. We have to live better. I know it's one thing coming between us, you know. It's because you want to have boyfriend. Well, alright, you're 18 years old, so I think I can allow you to have a little boyfriend, but you have to know your limit. So guess what? You can invite him over, let me meet him.
You
And
sure you want to meet
If
him?
my spirit take him, then you have my blessings to go ahead with the relationship.
What you mean spirit take him? All if a spirit not take him, me in love with him. I know you and him a go there, me and him. So your spirit taking no have nothing to do with this.
It's that same kind of behavior why we can't get on, you know. Imagine this. I am trying to be nice to you. Even telling you to invite your boyfriend over. And look how you're reacting.
That's supposed to be something to
You
do.
should feel happy.
Happy.
That I am giving you the okay to bring him over.
Okay.
Normally I wouldn't do that, you know. You should be glad that I'm in a good mood. And you're trying your best to spoil my mood. You want me to change my mind?
I don't care.
Oh boy. This girl is giving me a headache. I can't manage it. I can't deal with you. You're stressing me out, you know. You know that my daughter never give me so much talking?
Because me and the daughter are two different persons. Obviously.
I can see that this girl want me to go to prison for her, you know. You see, if you wasn't my sister's daughter, I would show you something tonight.
And what that's supposed to mean?
Little girl, look at me. I am your big old aunt. I am older than your mother. And your mother see it fit to send you in my care because she know that I will do a good job. And you don't want to listen to me?
And that
Hmm?
give you the
You
all right to
don't
drink.
want to listen to me? Your big old auntie?
Father Jesus, what is for me?
Beat me, that's what you should do. Beat me. I see that's what you want to do. Just try it. Try it and you see what happens inside here. All because of a man. And I'm being nice to you. I'm telling you to invite him here and you're testing my patience. You know what? I changed my mind. I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this.
The lady
I
just drink.
am not going to put myself in problem for you. I am not. I can't deal with this. Alright? I'm going to call your mom.
Alright, auntie. Now gonna make you meet him. I'm gonna try to fuck him and him way come. So you can just relax. Relax. Cause it's too heated. Relax, man.
I am not relaxed. I am not relaxed because you need to apologize. You don't have any manners. You don't have any respect.
I am sorry. Auntie. Happy now?
I am not convinced about that.
I am sorry.
It's alright. It's alright. Get up. Get up. Get up. Boy, I can see that you really love him, you know. You can't bring him come. You can't bring him come. It's alright.
Okay, if it's so.
You know what? Since you're being so nice, Let me give you a hug. I'm going to cook something very nice. What does he like?
Fish. Fish.
So you want me to cook some steamed fish and crackers? Tell him that I'll be cooking some steamed fish and crackers and invite him over with some carrot juice, alright?
Okay.
Alright. And I hope we have a good relationship from now on.
I'll try. Okay, I will. Hello? Huh? Oh. Alright, but outside the gate. Alright.
Yeah, wait for me, man.
Yes, because I'm out of the gate and wait.
Open.
Out of the gate.
Oh my god. Miss me?
As always.
Oh my god. So tell me something now. Your auntie upstairs does say want me.
Yes, she upstairs.
Alright. Just make sure come in.
Alright, now I'll call her. Auntie!
Mitzi, why you frightening me like that? Is what happened?
I'm sorry. Oh, the person come.
Okay.
Hey, auntie.
Hello. Mitzi,
That's my name.
your boyfriend?
That's what I said.
Is he from school?
No.
Because he look like he could be your father?
Seriously. Him younger
What
than
I-
that.
No. What a young little girl like you doing to a grown man like him?
God in heaven.
You're only 18 years old. He look like he's 30 odd.
He's 26.
But he sure don't look it.
Well, he is.
Auntie. No disrespect to this whole age thing, but age is just a number. And if she is as mature as she is, she can handle a relationship. You understand what I say? And I consider myself one of the best candidates at this point right now. Because I really care for her, naturally. And if I didn't, I wouldn't be here right now. I have so much things doing. You understand? That can take up my time, you know, if find other things to do. I find other people, but I choose not to. I see her, I like her spirit. So I say, you know what, let's just, you know, start something. I will start something. I'm here out of respect for you, because I want you to understand, say, I'm genuinely here for her. You understand what I say? I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Of course, I understand clearly.
Thank
You're
God.
here for her, of course.
Yeah.
You don't see that she's old enough to be your daughter. You need to go and look your age. I don't want to hear anything more from you, young man. As a matter of fact, I don't approve of you being here.
I don't know what else to say, but alright, you see, in life, good things always have a great fight. You understand? So, you know, I respect your wishes because the only thing you want is the best for your niece. That's fine. I want the best for her too. I'm going to respect your wishes, but only thing I can say to
Young
you,
man, I don't want to hear anything from you. Kindly go back through the gate before I call the police.
that's how you're going to take it?
Yes.
Alright. Respect all the way, Mitzi.
And that's so great.
Mitzi.
Kindly go through the gate, young man.
We talk to you,
You and
Mitzi.
her can meet outside. Young man, please leave my compound.
Alright, ma'am. Mitzi, we talk. No. Don't worry.
Don't.
Don't worry. It's all good. Alright, ma'am. I'm gonna leave your premises.
You are free to speak to her outside, but I won't tolerate that inside here. This is my house. This is my compound. I don't need that right here. You think so, young woman? It's me and your mother provide for you. If we don't provide for you, your little backside can't even wipe. Hmm? You can't even provide tissue to clean your ass. You can't even provide soap to wash your grind. What you want to take up mine, come invite into my compound? What you introducing to me?
You can't let go
I
my
think you
clothes.
lose your mind, you know. I think you lose your mind. Young lady, you lose your mind. You know what? I'm going to call your mother right now.
I do not care. Oh, well, yeah, call me because she knows she don't want a friend from me. I could have caused this. Hello?
One question I want to ask you. 2 days now, I don't see Javi, you know? You don't see him?
No. I'm not here for him for about 2 days now.
From me did call the boy and tell him to wash his period him before mommy come and somebody did come to me and ask me about him. Because 2 days now, I don't see Javi, so I wonder if him done there because I know he and him move and stuff. So that's what I call to find out. Because the boy didn't even text or call. Nobody, I call him phone off, voicemail.
So you call the police?
I want Rasta youth come link me and ask me for him, you know, from him. Ask me for him and I think Javi done a yard, you know. I don't see Javi from this, you know.
I know you're mad, you know.
I don't understand how I go on.
Why am I first a call?
The Rasta youth say, yo, send him to come look for Javi. So I want him.
Your brother missed you for 2 days. Right? And I'm me first a call. Before you go to the police station, I call the police. And my phone you ring off. But alright, I come here, just wait for me at your gate. I'm coming.
Alright, I wait for you. I sit on the right for my step. I wait.
Alright. This a girl not what they call him sense.
Brother, I normally do them things I left for 2 days and call him and get him.
Stupid door, the man chop.
Where you going?
Auntie, me not talking. Me hear one news, me need to go. Later me come, me tell you.
But wait. Stand up and talk to me. I'm your aunt.
Auntie, me in a hurry. Me hear a bad news, me can't. Auntie, me can't talk right
But
now.
what is
Me
this?
cannot
You're
talk right now,
frightening
just
me. What is it? Calm down. I'm your auntie. Calm down and tell me what is happening. Anything happened to you, I'm supposed to know I'm the one that is responsible for you.
Auntie, you know Javi?
Yes.
Okay, me hear say missing. Me sister just come say she can't find him for 2 days now. When me come back, me tell her.
So what you going to do about it? Are you the police? What can you do about it?
Auntie, me can't talk right now. Me hear the bad news that me have to rush. Just allow me to go in Jesus' name, please. Me can't take that.
All right. Go on and find out some information and call me.
All right, thank you.
Lord have mercy. She want to give me a heart attack, you know? My God.
Oh boy. What else you going now? Cause me not understand.
My brother missing for 2 days and I not Javi that. I not Javi that.
So why you attack me?
Because every minute are you all out Javi out of the yard.
Me and Javi are good friend. Yeah? Listen, wait, hold on. Me and Javi are good friend. We are best friends. Me not see Javi for 2 days from him come up on my yard and him get in a little conflict.
Are you
with
full
me.
of best friends so? Hear what me I say? And Rasta man in favor Pinocchio. He come me the under the so. Cause me did I look up in a mango tree to see if me see no right mango. Me sit down. And the man come and ask me if me know if me live come from around here. I said yes. Ask me if me know nobody named Javi. Me say yes, I'm a brother. The man tell me say you send him to come look for Javi. And
Did
from
him call me name?
listen what me I say no man.
Alright, me a listen.
So me tell him say Javi done a yard a wash plate. Him say alright.
Wait, you know say you're idiot though. I want me to tell you why you're idiot. Because you don't know the person and you direct the person to your brother.
Listen what me I say no man.
You need to use a senses.
Use my sense. The man come to me. You say if I didn't have my shoes, I say, oh, you know Javi in long time and how the man attack. I say, oh, Javi done a yard. From there, so I don't see Javi. I call Javi phone, voicemail. So tell me what go on.
You decide to call down my phone. Why you never go to the police? Me look like the police?
I learn a joke thing. Because guess what? Before Javi missed the last piece, when Javi did they done a year yard. So when me go a police station now and give them information, a few yard them a come because Javi was last seen down there. So what happened to Javi?
So what you try to say? Me kidnap Javi?
What happened to him?
Oh, me supposed to know?
Are your best friend if you know everything?
Javi not tell me everything. We are best friends, yes, but him not tell me everything.
Ah, that you say.
A matter of fact, you see a man call me on my phone and tell me say you call Javi and tell Javi if you wash your plate and one man come and this a hello, do not mix me. You mix up, you know? You know what that?
Oh, me a mix up. Look, listen to what me I say now. I don't know here, Javi always catch up. I call Javi to come wash the plate. Then when mommy tell him to wash before the woman come from market.
Javi, come up on my yard in the early morning.
I
I left back boat in the day. From Javi left back in the day, me no hear from Javi none time. Me
So-
no know if he reach a yard, or if he gone a bar, or if he gone a club. I do not know. So I don't know why you come attack me for your brother. Why on earth would I set up my best friend? Me and him my friend from where I go to school. You think me would have set him up? What kind of style that, brother?
So, me and Yawa, me and your best friend too.
You know this one me what there? I said me and you no friend. You know this one me?
Listen to me. My brother here are your best friend, right? You think my brother is the best friend thing with you?
What you mean?
My brother like you off. You feel like when he come down to come play a cat pack, you feel like my brother love cat pack and in a cat pack?
So what you try to say?
What me I try to say, you don't understand what me I try
No,
to say.
you have to explain to me. Come here, I
The
go
man love you, like you.
Hold on, what?
You have the man that left in yard every day if you come down to come play a cat pack. The man don't want to play no cat pack because Javi don't like cat pack.
So if Javi like me, why him never just say so? Hold on, then Javi never tell me say have a woman.
Which woman? Which woman Javi have?
I mean, you ask.
And most me and woman are mommy. Where Javi forget woman from?
Javi look for me and tell me say him not jealous because he having a woman. Why he would have jealous when he having a woman? And that he look for me where they and tell me when invite me so-called Rasta man, I never meet my Rasta man yet. All you know say ugly. You see you is a mixed up piece of something. You're too mixed up. That's why me and you can't be best friends, you know. Awa, me say it, awa. Yes, we are not best friends. Me prefer Javi over you because he have more sense than you.
You hear yourself?
Of course, I hear myself.
You hear yourself? One night stand? Or that relationship going on?
You not worry yourself about that, you know. My relationship quite fine. It's
yeah.
going on great, as a matter of fact. As a matter of fact, me never come up yourself in our relationship talk right now. Me come up yourself to talk about Javi. And Javi, me come up yourself to talk about. Where your brother there?
As a matter of fact, come out of my yard too. Me don't want to see you back in my yard. Me don't want to see you.
I'm gonna have to come back, you know. Me only come down here so because of Javi. No, because of you. Because you this one me already. So
Look
me
at
and no friend.
me
As a
a go-
matter of fact, bye.
Me I go police station, go report you, and me I tell him say you have something to deal with my brother. Miss me.
Yes, go on. Because I do not care.
Walk at the far place, you know. Tired. Come here and sweat. Francesca!
Sister! Oh my God, sister.
What's going on?
Sister, I'm so happy to see you.
Me too, but I don't me come out, you know, right now. Wouldn't mind lending me some money because me this. I owe too much bills.
Alright, don't worry about that yet. I have better things than that, to tell you.
I want to know.
You know what I don't know what happened to Mitzi?
To me, Wara? Mitzi.
You look like her skin dey on fire. I don't know what happened to her. You know what Mitzi have, man? Big man at that too, you know. She carry him come here, come introduce to me. The man is so old, could have been father. I couldn't believe it. I nearly dropped down.
I lie.
God, no.
Say, Wara?
You know, remember when I call you and tell you?
But, to me, this so busy. Me and yourself on front on the beach. Me need to pay no mind. I really that you did say to me?
Yes.
Lord have mercy.
I want to move out with him too.
So the
she want to
time-
live with him, pack up bag, want to go away with him.
Jesus. Bad God. I don't know what happened to them young people, you know. So true Mixie reach 18, she feels that she must take any man. at any time. In anywhere like your house, because 3 bigger than mine. She can't take no man of my yard, you know. A one room you live in, with the one man. You understand? And me no want she people me, that's why I send her up here to you, because you have this big old apartment can give her one woman. She up there carrying all kind of man.
She out to mad me.
What you say, man?
She's not listening to me none at all, I say.
I'm in the area because you see on the cell front party did that deaf me. But now me hear what you say and me get the full understanding that my daughter having
She all
man.
want to fight me up because of the boy, you know.
Fight!
The big old man we could have be her father.
I'm not telling no lie, no, my sister. You see, any run her out, she not know where to go because me not have no space. And you have all the space. You know, see you're big and plenty. That's why I send her up there, because you have more than space. And she come up here and take you for granted. And they take this thing as advantage. Eh? Man, we can't be her papa way so till me see her. So where she there?
You know, say today meanwhile me a come in, she a walk out.
Where she
See
gone?
one of her friend missing. What's her name, Javi or something like that.
And you
so she
believe
can
it?
go and check.
You believe the liar girl?
Why?
I'm my daughter, but I your niece and I
I
you
tell her,
she
say,
live with.
when she find out the information, she will call me right away.
And you trust her. And what a pill she give you to take? You did use any water take it or you just swallow it dry so? You're fuller than mixy. You
No.
make them a young people you nowadays, them brain come like a computer.
No, man. Javi missing for real because it's not she alone me here with it.
Oh, somebody missing.
Yes. So
So
that's why I even allow her to go and find out what's going on so I can know.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So me not watching news. That me did I go tell you. Me not watching news.
And I am so concerned about that little boy.
Oh,
He's our
God.
closest friend here, you know.
Close.
Mm-hmm. She and him go to school together. They're in the same class.
Me not in the close thing with she, cause if she they keep man, you know so she can go to the point where she tell a lie, say them are just close friend. You know a close friend brings sometime baby. When last you check up on her?
But that little boy is a decent little boy. He don't have those intentions in his
Sis,
head.
sis, let me tell you something. You see them young children here, me not put my mouth
She-
on them, you know, but they're smart.
I know, but she don't want no little boy her age. I tell you what she wants. She want a big man. If you see the man, you would drop down. The man look old enough to
No
be
man
his...
can make me
the
drop
man
down.
look
I mean,
old
make
enough
them
to
drop
be her
down.
father.
Them have something for drop down, not me. I always keep standing, don't do it.
I'm telling you.
Eh.
You won't
So,
believe when you
anyway.
see the man. You're going to see him. You will see him. You will buck him up.
Hopefully, if you're not dead before me buck him up because Mitzi are 18 and she's not mature. What she do with man we can be her
That
dirty
is
pooper?
exactly what I said to her. And you know such a try to drape me? Yes.
So what you do about that, sis?
I have to drape her up and shake her up, you know. And let you know that I am her bigger aunt. And she must have manners and respect.
You sound like you're the ramp with Mitzi. Because Mitzi could never ever put her hand on my stomach or anywhere part on me in my chest, my hand, no way. Even though she is 18, she's a child. She not mature. Anytime you turn big man and big woman, you're on your own.
You know why I
As man
didn't
she
give
live
her a
with.
fine ass in? I don't want to go to prison for her.
And I'm not need to go to prison, sis. We can't bail you. Liquor in her clot, I will bail you. Anyway, one next time, when the mind tell me or when me phone you, and see if she there, I come back up here. If you're not there, so me we come back
I
and now
don't
make
want
she
you to leave before she come.
A lie.
She soon come.
She soon
Call
come.
her. Call her on the phone.
Me not call her. Me not have no phone. Me not have no phone. Me did tell her say my phone broke up one long time before she come up here and leave. So me no want she know say me have no phone and me no want she know say me there. If she not go come home, you idiot. You know say girl smart. If she can be 18 and the with man we are 30 at the year old, we can be her papa. What she want do? Use your head. Use this. Use this.
All right. I'm going to let you catch her off guard. Let's go inside and have a drink and talk sister to sister. So that I can get to fully give you the full understanding of what is going on.
You know, say I really makes me did come to see and talk to her and go about my business. If you notice, look, I have a date and it's very important. I don't have time for wasting, but I kind of feel thirsty. You know, so I don't really want to come. I think some woolly things in my head.
Come,
You
because
could have
probably the next 5 minutes or so
You could have called me.
You wanted to see her.
you could have called me, and if you don't have any credit, just send me a please call me. Like how you insist. Come on, come in. I don't like how your face look like say your vex.
Yeah, man, because we have someone for going on. A long time we not see each other, so we could go have a drink.
Why you yam up here so make you look so big like that? You yam chicken.
It's stress is because your daughter stressing me
Oh
out.
man, that look like you yam some chicken. Hug up here. Stress.
Man, it's stress, man. It's stress. You know, so stress make you gain weight.
You know when you gone in your left breast master.
Hello, B. Please tell me say you're there, your yard. Been there right at the gate to walk in.
Yeah, man, I'm home. Alright, yeah, come. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, mama, there wait for you. No, so we meet. We are come like, come now. Hug me up. You forget that hug then? Come stand or something. You feel kind of lazy today. Sorry, forgive me for not standing up. Why don't you look so sad?
Just I come from a friend's house.
Which friend?
My girlfriend.
Oh, your girlfriend?
Yes, she had told me say her brother missing. Well, that's a Javi. You know Javi?
I thought your friend Javi.
You don't remember Javi, man? The same youth they come up here come see. Yeah, you did get jealous over the same person. Yes, the same dark youth there. My sister come tell me say him not come home for 2 days now. 2 days now? Yes,
2 days?
Yes, 2 days.
Oh, okay. Maybe I visit the boy, I go and visit some other man.
Well,
A bad boy, you know, because between me, you know, so Javi like you though.
huh?
You mean say what? You're going like you don't know what going. Javi like you and Javi will do anything to get you. And that's what he did every day. That boy don't know if he'll pay a card pack. Me, because when I was there, I look on the card them. The card them, you know, set like a, you know, I don't game and I play. That's why I was so jealous. You know what I mean? Not say I'm jealous because, you know, you're a friend and all these things. I have to respect your wishes with a friend. You understand? But he like you, he want you. He want to play with a card pack. I feel a card pack he want to play with. You think a card didn't come to play?
I know that me and talk about.
But what you worry about him for? Him gone somewhere for, I bet saying some show.
No, that's not like Javi.
That's not like Javi. So what do you mean by that? That's not like Javi.
Javi not stay them way there.
So no.
If him did I go somewhere, I would tell him sister.
See something on a fly with a face. I mess up your beauty. Hey, relax yourself, man.
That's the point. That's worry me. And then she blame me.
Oh, she blame you.
Yes, she blame me. Cause she say I was my yard she come.
So Javi have a sister?
Yes, Javi have a sister.
So where your sister live? Up on yard or something?
They live at the same house.
In the same house? I don't understand. So she call you now and tell you say Javi missing and I blame you. That make no sense.
Yes, because at my house, my always left to come.
So I must say you do something to Javi?
Be me not laugh. It's not funny. It's a serious situation.
Yeah, true.
And why you laugh like that? Like it's funny.
No, it's just don't get me wrong. I'm saying that the way how she is trying to say that you are involved with something of his disappearance, it's crazy. That's what I'm saying. But it's serious. Javi soon come back, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
How you so sure? You know something about him?
I don't know about Javi.
But you
Javi's
talk
your
like you know what happened to him.
What do you mean let me know nothing? I don't understand.
No, the way you talk, I say your son to me.
Babe, Think about what you say.
I'm just
I don't know
asking.
nothing about this youth. I don't know where you live. I don't know nothing at all. Yeah, I don't care about it. Only person I care about is you. You understand? You tell me now him missing. He's neither here or there for me. But at the end of the day, I am concerned that he's missing. Because you are concerned. So that's the only reason why I am in the mix right now. What you really come to me for? You know, if you comfort me, if you comfort you. Hmm? Hey, look at me, man. Look at me, man. Where
Can't help it.
Don't make it look like semi-high problem.
I never said you are.
Yeah, but you say make it sound.
I never said you're the
But you know what I'm
problem.
glad say? You find me home. You understand? I'm glad say when you think about something like, you know, like that feels, me feel special right now. Me feel extra, super fragilistic special. You understand? Feel like we're getting somewhere in regards to our bond together. What you want to do? I mean, I have to take your mind off of this.
I have no idea.
You want to stay in the house a little bit? You have to just come stay with me for a while. Look at it. We can do the things I love. And that?
Okay, sure.
Come on. Javi soon come on. Alright, so don't worry yourself. Yeah?
Okay.
Let's go inside. We can stay.
No, I can't. Because you know my auntie stay and she overprotective and then maybe she go think negative.
True.
Yes, we can bother with her sometimes.
For your auntie, boy. Right, you know, she run with her house and, you know, like, not after my house, but like, yeah, what is my house? And she went catch me at the time. What she done to me?
Might be. I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
But that might be a war with her in her place.
But why she not like me though?
I can't to her, you look like you could have been my daddy.
I look old.
Yeah, she said you look 30 something. Like you're in your 30. Like you're in your 30s. That's what she tell me.
Sure.
So that's why she disrespect you and run you out.
But even though she disrespect me, you know what? Me can't, you know, I not have her up for your auntie and family. You understand? So you're not gonna know. I can't disrespect the fact that she not like me, but that's fine. But I'm not disrespect her. I'm not bring it in her face like that. Yeah? So babe.
Yeah, that's why I love you, so you know.
I love me, man. You know that, and that's why I may do anything to make sure that you're safe and you're with me. You understand? Yeah. Start smiling. Jesus! Incredible. Where you are going now? You know I get no trouble. And especially because me will take care of all your trouble. I mean, so don't worry about no trouble. Have you covered. But I enjoyed my time. I want to see you back later on. Yeah?
Okay.
You come later?
Yes, you will see me later and
Alright.
voting at the 4 o'clock hours.
Alright, for not to call me. Yeah?
Alright, I will.
Later, babe. Love you, yeah?
Love you too. Mommy, how are you doing?
Come here. Come here. Come right here, sir. Right there, so the grass there, don't move. Stand up right there, so. If you move a muscle, I noticed you from the other day. A matter of fact, from the other day, a few months ago, almost 1 year now, I take time and I watch you keenly. Me watching you.
What did
With
I
the
do?
2 big bulb here we God give me. You feel set you are 18. You must Lego like a bees. You bees? Eh? You push out honey? And where you hustle make every man want you. Little girl, you is my child. And not because you are 18. You feel say, Every man say, hi, baby, you know me like you, you look sexy, you look pretty, you know. You can't give me a talk. That no mean say, you fit open up like a clothespin. You is not a clothespin. My daughter, you see, if you make every man have sex with you in the community, you know what you be? You know what you be? Answer me. You know what people say you be? Community bicycle. If you make every man in the community area, we're surrounded in this vicinity area, ride your half, then sit on one side and a so and a chat you say you a community bicycle. You would love that name there? You see right here now, your name there all over the place. Your name there on light post stop. You keep dance? Boy, you see anywhere me go, and hear them call your name, me act like I say me don't know you. Me disown you. Because me not own you, me not say nothing about you. Because me no want them know say me your mama. You is a shame and disgrace to the family. I only one can stay so. My sister Pitney they not stay so. My brother Pitney they not stay so. Eh? All of my cousins them Pitney different from you. I want to feel like you sitting underneath so. I heat it, Tina? What kind of heat? If it they bother you? You tell me give you money for your doctor, then give you something to cool it down. Are you going to the fridge and going to the bathroom and put piece of ice on it? Don't make underneath your clothes, whatever under there, control your mind. You a big girl, 18-year-old. Yeah, I don't know, you know. But somehow a young girl reach 18. Even though you're not 18, you're still not mature, so you have to stay at parents' yard or auntie yard. No, I say you have to stay with my sister. Because at one room I have, my sister have a bigger apartment where you can get your own room. I still hear your name call up all about pan the place. All about pan the place, right round the place, up and down for your name the pan. Alright, looking at my face, when they talk to you, stop look down pan the ground, because when the man them see a road and I call to you and you take time and go in a bush with them, you're not hold on your head. You hold up here in the position. You. But in your breed, do not call me name. I do not ready for any grandchildren. Don't come hold me up before time, little girl. Because me and the little piece of one room down there, and my sister have a big apartment. Me send you up here to come and stay with her, you get your own room. And you have your little privacy as a young girl grown up. You understand? And you can, you know, look where they do. My sister talk to me, and they talk to me seriously about you. Tell me for your side of the story. How you go? How you go? Talk, man. Speak up.
Mommy, I don't know the reason why Auntie called down here, because I happy she called down here, so. Auntie, I go and have a bag of man. I go to over in a bush, back up black. And mommy, I don't stay, so you're supposed to know how I stay. I have a little boyfriend, yes. I'm introducing him to my auntie and she disrespect him and run him out of the place. I don't know if that's why, because him look older than me, make she call you and say, oh, me have a bag of man, and me have man a go run in a bush, and me have man a go there so. No, and I saw it go. Auntie a liar, she's lying.
You see, if you are whore, it's not me you take off her. I must from your past side of family them, but it's not my gingeration. Where you come from with them, a little dirty attitude and a little stinking style. Yeah? Me say y'all walk on a cell front.
What?
And what? So me waste all of my little money by you at school. And the subject them where you have, you better not have them not all, you know. I waste my time. So the subject them where you have, you better have somebody else when in need that me take my money and give. You broke up now as 18. Don't talk when me talk, little girl. Because anytime when you start take man on the feet, so when you talk to parents, anyhow, not this woman, not this mother. A matter of fact, if I go back on the road and hear nobody, they call up your name, or you're the cell front, east, west, north and south, me disown you same time, me they abandon you. Me is not your mama.
But mommy, me not sell no front.
Or that disown you and me abandon you same time.
Mommy, how you have to abandon me when me not sell no front? Why you?
Hold on there. Some selling the guan then. If you're not selling your front, you're selling your back or your side, but some selling the guan. Your name stinking at the street. I'm ashamed if you pass me, if you hold on my head and the guan like I say me is not your mother. Little girl, you need to change your ways, you know. You need to change your ways. See there? Me they come out now. Me come to see your auntie. A road they come off of. Where they come from? Where you coming from?
Mommy, this... I can't talk to you now.
Watch it. You look like a man yard where they come from stress you out. You know what? Me they come go about my business.
Mommy, wait.
Power. Me wait enough for you to grow up from so to so. I know you was a idiot when you little, now you turn fool, you're big. Go on back, go back again, but me is not your mother in that that the world there. You understand me? Me I go about my business. What you tell me say? See it you can't talk. Mommy wait for what? Wait kill man, I'm not ready for dead yet. What me for wait for? Talk to me.
Half of what you say a while ago not true.
Eh. So I like the people them I tell for you.
Half of what you say a while ago not true. Me
And
know
I
me
lie
might have attitude and my ways, but half of what you just say is not true.
It's not true. So if it's not true, it's lie. Well, the opposite for not true is lie. And Tony run back it. Opposite for the lie, them where they tell you. See the dirty lie, them where they tell, it is true and I don't believe her.
I am not lying. Me not have no reason for lie.
Don't touch me with your filthy hand. I don't know which man you're coming from. Look how you look stressed out.
Why you treat me so?
Why me I treat you so? Because you walk around like a son little puppy dog and use me daughter and me is ashamed of you. So if you don't want me treat you so, now you start act like a one nice little decent growing up decent citizen girl in the community and stop me man. I tell this I want to say she easy to get and me went get it last night and you can go get it tonight. Me shame of you. Nasty. Go and go look into yourself. You better go kneel down and then 2 knee there and pray to God and ask God to tap your friend the way they do. Then you can call me mommy. You see, as friend today, see the ex here. Me not even have to dry with the pen. See the ex here. Don't call me no mommy. When you say me candy for you. Me shame of you. Oh, Tada.
Yeah, my general. So you see how next work for me? No problem, man. Yeah, man. As usual, man, just send the location. Well, not even send the location. Just send the address of the person, where the person live and picture. And the affiliate, you know what I mean? And you don't know, so we get the job done as usual. Yeah. It's been a while, I'm not going on too, you know what I mean? Alright, me get back to you, because one caller coming. Yeah? Cool. Hey, honey.
Hello? Which part you there?
What am to you?
How long may I call you? But I'm not that the thing. You me reach home, see this, but I broke up with my mother.
Your mother?
Yes. And my auntie tell her one bag of lie for me. Something we not even know about. Something we not even do.
Oh boy.
But that just stress me out. I can't take this. I literally feel like I'm all alone because my mother literally just disowned me a while ago.
Babe, you're not the only one in this world. You have me. Don't forget that. Why you saying that, man? Why you thinking like that? You have me as a partner for life. I'll do anything to make sure you're alright. You understand me, I say? I'm not gonna mess up. I want it to be mine, and it's not just know it's for a lifetime.
My mother literally called me a bag of names, so she don't normally do.
Why your mother would Gosh, man. Mothers are supposed to do that to them child.
Because she take care from people. I mean, not because I'm auntie. I'm auntie, I call her and I tell her one bag of lie.
So your mother disown you?
Me literally can't take certain things. Me easy for stress. If you know me, you know that me easy for stress. I always stress. And when me stress, me tempted to do things when me know me I go regret.
Tell me something. More to know more about you and everything. You know what I mean? But I don't know if you can send me a picture of your mother.
So why you want to know my mother?
Yeah, because I want to be a part of your life. Me know your auntie already, she don't like me fine. You know, I just want to see what your mother look like. If she as pretty as you.
Alright then, I'm going to just send you a pic.
I'll call up. Whoa. Alright, babe. I'll call you soon. Alright? Tell them if I call, man. Yo! Put off the work there for me. Me have a mission for crash, yeah? Me talk to my girl. Me soon call her. Yeah, babe, sorry about that.
But just send it. You get it?
You send it? Alright. Alright, babe.
Me literally just tell her so she did so me. She's like dead to me. Well, if I understand, me just say.
So you say she's like dead to you? Or she dead to you? Alright.
Me I get some sleep right now because it's just out my head that hurt me. I feel like my brain will explode. Yeah, because I have a lot on my brain. So, I'm going to say I can't sleep it off. Later, I come check you. Alright.
How yourself, man? Alright, babe, get some rest. Yeah? Love you to death. Alright, babe. Excuse me, man. You look so familiar. You from around here?
No.
No.
Why you asking me that question?
No, you look like somebody I know, but I'm not sure if you're the person, but you look familiar. Like, you have a daughter?
Yes.
She named Mitzi? I know say you, man. It's a pleasure to meet you, man. Mitzi, I'm a friend, you know what I mean? I'm a friend for a long time.
Okay. So who you?
He's my friend.
Your friend?
Me. My name is Publik.
Public.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
So you're staying in the area now, or are you leaving?
Why you ask me so much question? Yes.
No,
Me tell you, say me come from around here, so why you question me so much?
I'm just in, you know, like I just wanted to know because if you know Mitzi and all these things, you know, that means you know, you're a friend of mine if you're a friend of hers, you know, and then you're a mother, so, you know what I mean?
It's not my friend. Turn it round and get it right.
Yes.
She's my daughter.
Exactly. Nice to meet you, ma'am. It's a pleasure to meet you. You know what I mean? My name is Publik, as I said before, and, you know,
look here.
It's a privilege.
I do not know you from nowhere.
All right.
And I never ever done this in my life before. Telling stranger where me live, who me is, may have children or whatever. I want to know why you're asking me so many questions.
All right. Just forget it. Nice to meet you and have a wonderful day. All right, ma'am? Bless you.
So I care about. wash it. You know, long more wash it. If nobody has see me, but me not notice you. Ah, Jesus. One kerchief in my bag. Hold on there. Hold on. Let me use this. God, me and wash. It over. Oi.
You're a nasty woman. Where you that bush? Eh? The place smell like I really you go shit. Eh? A woman like you was so feisty and I deal with the daughter so. Eh? You deal with the daughter like say you disown her. Eh?
How me disown my daughter? How what happen?
What mean say what happened?
I can't start me. Why you trail me? What you want? The money you want? What you want?
What friggin' situation? Eh? You're a wicked. You want the daughter feel like she have no use like girl. Yes. As a mother, you're not supposed to make a daughter feel that way.
And this is the second time I see your friend here. I not even know you.
Yes,
What you know about me and my daughter?
Last time. Eh?
Wait. What do you mean when you say that? You want the money?
Money for what? Hey.
You can't.
You look at me hungry?
You can take it purse and you can take my phone.
Woman.
Anything else you want, me can send it to your phone.
You remember me say today? I'm asking you a question. You're a hog. Just the way you deal with life.
No, mix them with hog.
Most today.
Fire burn pan the hog then.
As a matter of fact, give me them. Give me them, man. I come in when you go. Record me. Because them phone I look hype. I want to record the money. But I can tell you one thing. See? You are a worthless mother. And your daughter's words was that you are dead to her. You understand me I say? Yeah.
Don't kill me, sir.
Don't kill you?
Don't
Why
kill
am I
me.
not kill you?
I love my daughter, I don't know what you're talking about.
You love your daughter?
Yes. No, kill me. No.
God, Evelyn, I can't get two of them mind thing them. How the crosses you go?
Evelyn, what you do here, so? And where you get money, man? I thief, you know.
Me know you don't.
And you never have money yet, you know.
Don't run castle, don't pass the place with me.
Anyway, I'm never come and for you. Come, give me one of my regular, yeah? Cause God see I know. Anyways, so give you money, here, miss. Oh, yeah, you me a talk to.
Are we lucky with this, you know?
Anyways, we know how the difference is, but you hear from Javi yet? Oh, are you me a talk to?
You have your heart to come ask me for my brother. You know,
I never come here for the argument, you know. And one simple question I ask, and I need a one simple answer is either yes or no.
You realize me run you out of my yard the other day? And you come here so come see me hard and I drink my local drink so you have to see me. You couldn't see I'm blind.
Auntie, I never come here for the argument, you know.
Do not ask me nothing about my brother. You know about my brother because he was last seen done by your house.
So what you try to say? Me kidnap my own friend? Or me hire? What people them name? I me hire people to kidnap him? What do look like to you?
Oh, this look now. Javi come down your yard and left to come back up a yard. I know, reach up there. How that look? But till I tell me I go station, you know. I reach, me not reaching, I'm tired, but me not reach down there, you know. Cause me not ask Christ if me go down there, and you them I go come to as suspect.
And I make them come to me, you know, cause me can't go up there too.
Cause if me meet you have my brother down there play car park, you feel like a car park you want to play, your car park you want to play. Make you want, you soon wall you.
Hold me. Yeah, me. But they right up the road there, so man, up at Juicy, the lady will sell the blend up something them. Yeah man, it's not far from this so. Alright. But I will see sometime.
You good?
Oh, you reach?
You reach, man. Thing alright?
Yeah, man.
Get the juice, man. Come on. Me feel like more stairs.
Boy, you're up on a rush.
Come on, I want to talk to you. Let's go. Yeah? Come.
Ready?
Okay.
That's what me did say. Ready?
Ready? Auntie, a liar.
You see, if you are whore, it's not me you take off her. I must fry your past side of family them, but it's not my gingeration. Where you come from with them, a little dirty attitude and a little stinking style, yeah? Me you say y'all walk on a sell front.
What?
And what? So me waste all of my little money by you at school. And the subject them where you have, you better not have them non tall enough. I waste my time. So the subject them where you have, you better have somebody else when in need that me take my money and you broke up now as 18. Don't talk when me talk little girl. Cause anytime when I start take man on the fees, I don't talk to parents. Anyhow, not this woman. Not this mother. A matter of fact, if I go back on the road and hear nobody, they call up your name. Or you're the sell front, east, west, north and south. Me disown at the same time. Me they abandon you. Me's not your mama.
But mommy, me not sell no front.
Action.
Oh,
the woman.
That they did it. Oh, yes, you take off the clothes out there, so?
Come on, this is me now.
Oh, fine.
Watch this.
You know, go behind the camera, man. That's enough to do. Anytime you see people are shoot, always remember, go behind the camera, man.
So you answer now? Action.
Ready?
What you say?
What you want from me? You trail me?
Listen to me. You treat a daughter like she's a slave. Eh? You have no love for your daughter.
How come?
As the people like you, not to survive in this world, man.
Me love my
As a
daughter.
mother.
Where you get that
How
from?
you love your daughter? Eh? You
I
sure I
have to
love
explain to you, but me love my daughter. Me
Hold
love
on.
my daughter.
daughter record? Action.
You know if it's a record.
Hold on.
Go look.
Come on, sure. I think I'll go.
You press record?
Yeah, me press record. Thank you.
But me tell you no say that.
Sometimes you don't see good.
Sometimes I'm for sure, yeah?
For sure, because you see them now we come back again.
Yeah.
Ready?
Done. Come here, go foreign tomorrow.
Ready? Action.
How what happen?
Let me say what happened.
I stop me. Why you trail me? What you want? The money you want? What you want?
Tell you what friggin' situation. Eh? You're a wicked. You make a daughter feel like she have no use in this world. Yes. As a mother, you're supposed to make a daughter feel that way.
Let me try second time you see your friend there. I not even know you.
Yeah,
What you know
second
about
and
me
maybe
and
the
my daughter?
last time. Eh? Wait.
What do you mean when you say that? You want the money?
Money for do what? Hey,
You can't.
you look at me hungry?
You can't take your
Eh?
purse and you can't take my phone.
Woman,
Anything else you want, me can send it to your phone.
you remember me say it today? I'm asking you a question. You're a hog. Just the way you deal with life.
No. Mix
Like
it up
you're
with
not
her.
supposed to do.
Fire burn pan the hog then.
Fire burn for hog?
Hey, and you know, so make me go forget. You know, you like him say, you can't take bug and you put you can't take shit too.
No.
Go there,
No, you can't take it back on the phone. Fire burn for hog. Go on, say what you say.
So you ready?
Yeah, say that,
Hold on,
say
hold
that.
on.
Say back the tape. Wait, if you take your phone for me in the bag, you know.
Take it for I'm
Yeah,
what I say, what I give me then.
You know, get to call nobody. Phone never look like you can, you know.
Action. Yeah, can't give me back like say me look like some petty thief. See me like a petty thief. Motherfucker, give me that.
Hold on.
Oh, you nice? You
Get
nice?
yourself in there.
No, I'm not sure, but then you know.
But you don't know, go look if you're there.
No, you're not nice. I can't need a focus pan.
Me nice.
I can't eat a
I
focus.
can't need a
Look, I
focus
don't know
pan.
about camera.
I can't eat a focus
Come on,
pan.
take it.
That nine camera.
Look.
That nine camera.
No, over this man I camera. I can't the alone a foot.
That more know if you know with me and you. Because you know feeling me.
No, she don't understand, you know. She don't understand.
You see the camera in there.
The camera, you see camera now?
No, not at all.
You have to see. You can't deny it and you put this in front of the
You have to
camera.
deny it.
You have to see.
You have
What if that now record? Alright, ready again. Ready them up. Ah!
Alright, action.
As a matter of fact, give me them. Give them, man. The camera ain't go. Record me. But them phone I look hype. I want to record me, but I can tell you one thing. See? You are a worthless mother. And your daughter's words was that you are dead to her. You understand me I say? Yeah. Don't kill you? Why am I not kill you?
I love my daughter, I don't know what you're talking about.
You love a daughter?
Yes.
You should know that when you talk to her today.
Hold on.
Not again. That's why everybody
Say
know.
already.
In the.
No, you said before that.
You sure say please not
make
catch
it.
another party?
No.
Alright. Kindly decide a minute.
And even push come to shove and it did and we can use that the one there and then cut back to that. You understand? You ready with Alright.
You just step across and just swing across the piece. As soon as this swing it, when I go close in here,
When you do it, me just have
So
a
she not
go.
go drop.
no, she just go slow. Just go slow.
Me can't do it.
Ready? You know, leave this right now.
No, man.
What you want it? What you say you want?
You take one careful at the back of the car.
Get
That's
down.
me what you say. Ready? You see him
Yeah, Can you chimble like Can you chimble like with my wish cash that he feed?
Ready? Yeah. Action.
No, kill me, no.
Ah. And you this one with slow motion. I come see, come see. What do you man?
Mickey dog, so. No, sir. I want to Mickey dog, so. Look at Jesus.
Nice man.
So you catch me come back in. You catch me now? From the Anglia? Oh yeah, catch me from the Anglia?
No one when the back of swing, one can go back.
Okay, you can. So watch the time.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Where this menu?
Never really know just what you want.
You go slow mo.
With you I don't ever feel calm.
Just go touch your
I
eye.
can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
What
You
the
don't
candy?
ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
You feel nice and I feel fun.
And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back from home even when I
Come like candy out
dolls
the
full of
corner.
pins.
Where?
Here's my heart,
So ugly. Where?
I got it.
Whatever vampire I do.
Red, but you keep me on red. Oh,
Then the Almo have
think
to
it's like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something out of
No, then like that. Then catch you.
Let's get you.
Like that.
I didn't look like you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
Yeah, man.
then will you get
Me see
May I
it
go that
already.
few?
So if I
You do already?
So, hold on.
everything
I can't make. Hold on.
you said, I don't think
Nigga have. Just catch her again.
No man. No man, me put in the blood for now. What do you want?
No. You have blood people for it?
Them not get sound effects to them and me have blood and everything.
this amusing.
Never teach them put up like that.
Confusing.
Alright, so when you drop.
Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I
Make
offer
sure you drop
all
slow
of the
motion.
solutions.
No man, no, watch me drop slow
I love
motion.
you, it's true.
All you have to
So
do.
when me do so and then when the camera come up, we lay down on the ground.
No man, all you have to do is sit down and just put up your foot. And just
I
stop.
wish when I first
You
saw
sit down
you,
on the ground and the back is the kick up. When you touch the ground.
Me not remember.
No man, you sit down on the ground.
You sit down?
Yes man, you sit down. So
then?
basically your foot just up in the air so. And then you just go up on your back. And so when your head bounce as soon as
So tell me no more. You
it
confused
bounce
me. Me
again.
know me go drop.
So catch me now and look for her.
She not dropping. You just sit down on the ground here because in 2 foot. That's
you don't
So no, so I catch me
you don't know
over her and I look for her. So like I go down. So me can cut from me. So she at the ground. You understand?
yeah man, but you're not gonna move around this up.
No, exactly. So me I go swing.
you get sick of being the monster
Sit down here.
So.
think you're something out of
Me make me sit down in that shit. You know see how wicked one.
That way I put it back in.